Hello, welcome to the third module of COM 3101, Communication, Self and Others. In this module is the first module that will be looking at particular theories, and so these theories are related to interpersonal messages. And the two different theories that we'll be looking at here in this module are coordinated management of meaning and expectancy violations theory. So as you're reading the chapter on coordinated management of meaning, you'll notice that the authors look at communication from a storytelling perspective. So they look at stories told versus stories lived. And so what are the stories that we might tell, and what components of that story might be untold or untellable or unheard, and how does that relate to the stories lived? And so what the authors are interested in is how do we coordinate with one another to create meaning that is a shared understanding through this storytelling. Then expectancy violations theory is another one of the theories that we'll look at in this module. And so some of you may be familiar with this theory. It was first developed by looking at proxemics. And so the authors were interested, Judy Burgoon, who developed the theory, was interested in space violations. And so how is it that we have expectations that are developed based on culture or gender or different factors that contribute to the expectations that we have for example, how close someone would come to us, and then if they're too close based on the expectations that we have, then there's said to be a violation. And those violations could be positive or negative, because it could be that there's a person that we want to be close to us, like a romantic partner, for example, or somebody that we're interested in romantically. And so if that person is closer to us, it's a violation, but it's a positive violation. So the task that we have for this module are to read chapters 6 and 7 and to review the material that you'll find within Blackboard. And then the assignments to complete are to post the required contributions to VoiceThread, to complete the knowledge check that you'll find within each of the lessons, and then post to the wiki. So this module is the first module that we have the course wiki, and so I want you to keep in mind that this is a collaborative effort. So there are different questions or aspects of each of the theories that I would like you to develop the wiki. So no one student needs to answer all those questions. So make 2 or 3 contributions and allow space for other students to make a contribution as well, so that they have something that they can contribute to the wiki as well. So as always, if you have questions, please let me know.